How to turn off floating notifications in Google Messages. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the settings application and then scroll down and tap on apps. As you do that, tap on manage apps over here and just wait until all the app list appears over here and loads over here. So as it loads, scroll down and search for messages application over here. Then what you need to do is tap on notifications over here and make sure here you can see the option of floating notifications or allow floating notifications. So right now it's toggled on, so make sure to toggle off this option and you'll be able to turn off the floating notifications on Google Messages. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.